Good morning, dear students. Welcome to EduStar's online class, and you're watching Class 4 Science. Students, so far we have completed 7 lessons in science, right? Do you remember that? Yes. From today onwards, we are going to start a new session, that is revision part. Yes. Now we will start the revision from lesson 1. Do you remember that? What is the lesson number 1? Plants are green friends. Yes. So, today we are going to discuss about some activities related to this lesson and quiz time, and we have a worksheet. Shall we start? First one, here we have some activities related to that lesson. Here we have test for starch in a leaf. Chlorophyll is needed for photosynthesis. Sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. So every activity that is related to photosynthesis. First one, test for starch in a leaf. For this, we need the following things: beaker, test tube, alcohol, and iodine solution. First, we need to pick up one leaf from the plant. Then, boil a green leaf in water. Then boil it in alcohol. Remember, never heat alcohol directly on a flame. It will catch fire. Put alcohol in a test tube with the leaf and put the test tube in a beaker with water and then heat it on a flame. As you seen in the picture, this will remove the chlorophyll from the leaf. The process of removing green color from a leaf is called bleaching. Next, wash the leaf in a cold water. The first step, put the iodine drops on the leaf. It will turn blue-black. Iodine always turns starch blue-black. This confirms the presence of starch. Can you see in the picture? Yes. The next one is, that is an activity for chlorophyll is needed for photosynthesis. Take a colored leaf like coleus. Make a sketch of a leaf on the paper, clearly marking the green parts of the leaf. Next, test for starch as we done in the first activity. Do you remember that? Yes. Then compare the blue-black part of the leaf with your sketch. Only the part that was somewhat green turns blue-black, showing the presence of starch in it. Thus, it is confirmed that photosynthesis has taken place only in those green parts. Okay, this shows that chlorophyll is needed for photosynthesis. Understand, kids? The next activity is, sunlight is essential for photosynthesis, isn't it? Without sunlight, there is no photosynthesis will happen. For this, we need to take one plant. Keep a plant in a dark place for a day. The leaves will not be able to make food during this time due to the absence of sunlight. Cover a part of one leaf with black paper. Now Keep the plant in sunlight for about 6 to 8 hours. Remove the paper and test the leaf for starch as you done in activity 1. Okay, the leaf except the covered part shows the presence of starch and turns blue-black. Only the part which gets sunlight is able to make and store food. So what you have observed? The portion of the leaf that was exposed to sunlight shows the blue-black color, while the portion covered with the black paper does not show blue-black color. Can you see? Yes. Finally, the conclusion is the blue-black color indicates the presence of starch and is a positive result for starch test. The portion of the leaf that was exposed to the sunlight was able to prepare its food and store starch. The portion covered with the black paper could not prepare its food because it did not receive any sunlight. Thus, no starch formation takes place in this part of the leaf. Understand? These are the activities. Next, this is a time for quiz. Are you ready, kids? Complete the photosynthesis process. First one, plants use sunlight, then it will take in carbon dioxide, it will take water and minerals from the roots, then what it will be give out? Oxygen and sugar. Okay. Next one, look at the picture of a leaf shown below and fill in the names of its parts. Do you remember, kids, the parts of a leaf? What is the first one? It is called main vein. So it is the center part of the leaf. What is the next one? It is stalk. What is stalk? The leaf is attached to the stem with the stalk, right? What is the next one? That is side veins. So they run parallel to one and another from the main vein. So what the main work of this side veins? These veins carry the water and minerals to the leaf. Food prepared in the leaf is carried by the veins to different parts of the plants. Yes. What is this? This is called leaf blade. What is leaf blade? Do you remember that? The flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade. Understand, kids? Good. Next, find out the names of the following plants or trees. Here they given a clue to you. You have to try to find out the answer. First one, I am the national tree of India. I have aerial roots and I am always green. Who am I? Do you have any guess? Let me show the picture. What is that? This is banyan tree. Banyan tree is the national tree of India. Okay. The next one. I am a poplar tree and my fruit is considered as the kings of fruits. Who am I? Do you have any guess? I'll show the picture. What is this? Yes, this is mango tree. I am known as the blessed tree and my leaves are of medicinal value. Who am I? Yes, this is neem tree. Very good. Now look at the picture A and B. How would this look like? Yes, both are same leaf. Picture A shows the front side of the leaf. Picture B shows the back side of the leaf. Now I have a question. Why is the upper part of all green leaves darker in color than the underside of the leaves? Why? Yes, as the upper surface of the leaf is more exposed to the sun than the underside of the leaf. There will be more chlorophyll on the upper surface of the leaf, so as to maximize the amount of sunlight that the chlorophyll receives. This results in a more intense green on the upper surface than on the under surface of the leaf. Okay. Next one, what would happen if you take a potted plant and locked it up inside a dark room for 1 week? What will happen if there is no sunlight? So sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. As the plant is kept in dark room for a week, there is a lack of sunlight, hence photosynthesis has not taken place. This is because since it was kept in a dark room where there was no sunlight, the plant was unable to prepare the wood by photosynthesis. Okay. This is the time for worksheet. You are going to prepare a worksheet as an assignment. This is a writing part. For this, take your book and open page number 5. Here you have lesson 1, plants are green friends. Can you see some underlined words? Yes, these are the important words from this lesson. What you are going to do is, you have to read the lesson from page 5 to 9 thoroughly, and you have to underline the words with the pencil which I have given to you. This is your first time, so I underline all important words in this lesson. You will read every pages and underline the word. In upcoming days, you have to do the same for every lessons. Okay, students? This will help you to revise the lesson. Next, take 4 or 5 A4 sheets with you. In the first page, you will write with the marker pen, worksheet lesson 1, plants are green friends, and use the black pen to draw the border for the page like this. This is a sample page for you. Then in the next page, what are the words you underline in the book? See the words and write in the A4 sheet. You have to use only one page in the A4 sheet. Don't write at the back side of the A4 sheet. Use the front page only. So, in the second page, you have to start to write the important words like this. And after complete the words, you have to write the fill in the blanks. Here you have 15 fill in the blanks. Next, you have one diagram, parts of the leaf. These are the sample page for you. Next, I will explain how to write this. Okay, students. So this is your first page. In the second page, start to write important words, and these are the words which I have taken from the page number 5. So for page number 5 I took 18 words. So write this in A4 sheet one by one, and if the page is not enough, take another paper and start to write the remaining words. Page number 6, 8 and 9 also you have some words. You have to write that word in the A4 sheet. So around 60 words will come. Okay, students. Then next you have fill in the blanks. Here you have 15 fill in the blanks. Now we will discuss the answer. Leaves are green color due to the presence of oxygen or chlorophyll. Due to the presence of chlorophyll, the leaves are green in color. Okay. The parts of a leaf that attached it to stem or branch is called stalk or blade. That is stalk. Plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. Food made by the leaf is called glucose. Dash cannot make its own food. Cactus or toader? Cactus, right? Leaf blade helps a leaf to trap the sunlight or water? Sunlight. A flat part of a leaf is called vein or leaf blade? Leaf blade. Tiny opening on the underside of leaf of plant are called stomata or vein? Stomata. Ninth one, chlorophyll gives us dash color to the plant, white or green? Green color. Plants give us dash to breathe, oxygen or carbon dioxide? Plants give us oxygen to breathe. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide or oxygen? Animals breathe out carbon dioxide. Food factory of a plant is called leaf or flower? Leaf is called food factory of a plant. Roots absorb water and minerals from the air or soil? From the soil. Extra food is stored in the form of starch or iodine? Starch. Dash transport food, water and minerals to and from the leaf? Veins or roots? Veins. Okay, students. After complete the important words, you will write these 15 fill-ups in the A4 sheet. After this, you have a diagram of parts of a leaf. Draw the clear picture and color it neatly and mark the parts. Okay, students. Then keep this A4 sheet one by one, and you have to make it like a booklet. Keep it safe and send through the mail. After school opening, I will collect all these worksheets. Okay, students? Thank you, students. Have a good day.